Otakus with style, here you have Kazutora.
On this video, I will reproduce his haircut, color, and style. I will use foil paper to create this pattern. This will help to get clean separation on the sections and speed the decoloration process. First, I will apply the center of the section. This will keep the hair together with the foil so I can apply the rest of the decoloration. After that, I will do the roots using the brush on vertical, on a feather style. This will help with the growing stage so we don't get a harsh line. I will finish applying the decoloration on the ends. I use a radial sectioning pattern to achieve the Kazutora look. To start this haircut, I will do a section around the perimeter. Then I will carve individual segments starting from the bangs. When you see me looking at the side, is when I'm revisiting the storyboard on my computer to get a confirmation that what I'm doing is perfect. You can do the same thing by following the pictures on the corner to see what I'm trying to achieve. This style is long on the back and is disconnected from the sides and the top area on the back. So to transition these two areas, I will be using a really cool technique. To cut the layers on the interior part of the style, I will start from the sides, creating two sections and diagonal back. Now you can see why it was so important to do the color first. It makes it very easy for me right now to see the blonde areas that I don't want to cut. Using freeform with the razor blade, I will cut vertically on the dark segments. On the back area, I will use a 2 fingers horizontal sections, and I will cut the desired segments. One short, one long, one short, one long. This will help transition from the top to the back. This is the special technique I was telling you guys about it. Observe how these layers look. Great transition. I will continue using the same technique with the rest of the hair, preserving the blonde segments and cutting into the dark ones. This style is very original and perfect to create with the sculpting influence. Observe how I use the air of the dryer to create a wave on the nape. Here you have these three friends. Baji is the only one that it doesn't look so happy. Using the round brush, I will add some volume on the roots and direction on the ends. Here you can observe the color definition on the segments that we did. You can use the round brush as well to mark the wave on the nape. On dry, I will make selections or individual segments that I like to cut, creating contrast in between the blonde and the dark color. Add the necessary layers on the back to create a personalized finish. Thank you for sending this suggestion. It was so much fun making this reproduction.
This is Angel Del Solar bending some hair for you.